In this video, we're diving into the world of container auto restart policies. I will show you how to make your containers restart automatically with the restart flag, ensuring automated container recovery. Let's explore what restart policies actually are. Restart policies are automatic rules that determine when and how Docker containers should restart. They handle container failures gracefully and help achieve the goal of zero downtime. Now, let's look at the 4 different types of restart policies available in Docker. The first one is no, specified with the command restart equals no. The second one is always, specified with the command restart equals always. The third one is unless stopped, specified with the command restart equals unless stopped. And the final one is on failure, specified with the command restart equals on failure. Let's examine the no and always restart policies in more detail. The no policy represents the default behavior, meaning there is no automatic restart. You can specify this with the command docker run restart equals known jinx, or simply docker run jinx. With this policy, the container stops permanently on exit. The always policy, on the other hand, always restarts the container, even after a system reboot. You can specify this with the command docker run restart equals always jinx. The container restarts indefinitely and survives reboots. Now let's explore the unless stopped and on failure policies. The unless stopped policy restarts the container unless it has been manually stopped. You can specify this with the command docker run restart equals unless stopped jinx. This policy respects manual stops and survives reboots. The on failure policy restarts the container only when it exits with a non-zero exit code, indicating a failure. You can specify this with the command docker run restart equals on failure 3 jinx, where the number 3 indicates that container will restart a maximum of 3 times only when it crashes. Let's look at some basic usage examples of restart policies. For a web server with auto restart, you can use the command docker run detach restart equals always p80:80 jinx. This ensures that jinx will restart automatically, even after system reboots. For smart restart on failures only, you can use the command docker run detach restart equals on failure 5 my app. This ensures that application restarts up to 5 times only when it crashes. Now let's see how to manage restart policies. To check the current policy of a container, you can use the command docker inspect container name pipegrep I restart. This will display the restart policy of the running container. To update the restart policy of an existing container, you can use the command docker update restart equals always container name. This allows you to change the policy without recreating the container. Let's go over some best practices and a summary of what we've covered. As a best practice, use unless stopped for web services. Also use on failure with retry limits. And always monitor container health regularly. In summary, there are 4 restart policies available. You can update policies on running containers. And you should always choose a policy based on your use case. Master container resilience with restart policies. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.